Guess the phrase. I go to work by bus.
I work in an office.
I get up at 7:30.
I wake up at 7.
I have breakfast at 8. I have lunch at 1. I watch TV at night. I have dinner at 7. I finish work at 5.
I read a book before sleeping.
I go home by car. I go to bed at 10.
Choose an option. Choose an option.
I wake up.
I wake up at 7. Choose an option.
I get up. I get up at 7:30.
Choose an option.
I have breakfast. I have breakfast at 8.
Choose an option.
I go to work. I go to work by bus.
Choose an option.
I work.
I work in an office. Choose an option.
I have lunch. I have lunch at 1.
Choose an option.
I finish work. I finish work at 5.
Choose an option.
I go home. I go home by car.
Choose an option.
I have dinner. I have dinner at 7.
Choose an option. I watch TV.
I watch TV at night.
Choose an option. I read a book. I read a book before sleeping. Choose an option. I go to bed.
I go to bed at 10.